Hi friends, welcome to Tech Trends. In this video, we can see how to control an electric bulb using RFID. Let's watch the video. The components required for this experiment are Arduino board, RFID module, RFID tag, RFID card, buzzer, relay, bulb and a holder, connecting wires and connecting cable. This is our RFID module. We need to connect this RFID module with the Arduino board. I have given the connection in the side. Please follow the same connection. Now we have connected the RFID module with the Arduino board. Now we need to connect the relay module with the Arduino board. The relay has 3 pins, negative, positive and the signal pin. Negative pin we need to connect with the ground. The positive pin we need to connect with the 5 volt in the Arduino board. And the signal pin we need to connect with pin number 6. Now we need to connect the buzzer. The buzzer has 2 pins. The black color is the negative and the red color is the positive. The red wire we need to connect with pin number 7 in the Arduino board. And the black wire we need to connect with the ground pin. Now we need to connect the bulb with the relay. Connect one end of the wire from the 2 pin with the first pin in the relay and connect the other wire from the bulb with the second pin. This is our circuit connection.
Now connect the Arduino board to the laptop and upload the program. Before upload the program, select the board from Tools, Board and Arduino UNO. Then select the port. Then click the right arrow button and upload the program. The program is uploaded now and we can check the output.
So now we can check the output. Here we are testing with RFID tag and RFID card. This RFID tag is for authorized access and this RFID card is for access denied. So if we place the RFID tag, the bulb will glow for 3 seconds and then it will off. If you place the RFID card, the buzzer will turn on.
Please like this video and subscribe to Tech Trends channel. If you have any clarification, please post in the comments. Thank you.